Hello, my dear learners. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, here comes a new chapter of your GK book, and the name of the chapter is The Solar System's Hidden Frontiers, or we can say Hidden Wonders Beyond Planets. What's that? We cannot able to identify, we cannot able to imagine anything. So, let's come with me. Let's see. The solar system is much more than just a planet. Okay, the solar system, we know in the geography in the SST classes, solar system, there are 8 planets and there and all the functions about it, but it's beyond that. Beyond the familiar 8 planets lie fascinating objects like asteroids, comets, dwarf planets, mysterious regions such as Kuiper Belt and the Oort clouds. Each of these elements play a unique role in solar system construction and history, offering scientists clues about the formations, evolutions, and even resources that might one day aid space explorations. Let's dive into their remarkable, lesser-known members of the cosmic neighborhood. Let's see something about our solar system. In our solar system, planets are there, but with planets there are something very about asteroids, comets, dwarf planets, and mysterious regions are there, which are still discovering. We also do not have the proof of it. So what are they? Let's have a look. First one is asteroids. Small rocky bodies orbiting between Mars and Jupiter. So we can see asteroid belt is there between Mars and Jupiter. Comets means icy body with glooming tail. So they have a glooming tail, icy body that originated from Kuiper Belt and Oort clouds. Okay, so they come from that. Next is dwarf planet. Planet-like bodies that does not clear the orbit like Pluto and Ceres. So Ceres and Pluto are the dwarf planets that are not clear boundaries, that do not have an orbit. Okay, so that planets are dwarfed, or we can say hidden planets. These planets are nowhere now. Okay. Next is Kuiper Belt. That's it. Kuiper Belt. A region beyond Neptune. We can see the last planet of solar system, Neptune, filled with the icy bodies and dwarf planets. And after that region, it starts with Kuiper Belt. Okay. After Neptune. Next is Oort clouds. A distant icy region through to be source of long period comets. Next one is meteoroids. What is meteoroids? Asteroids are there between Mars and Jupiter, but meteoroids are the small space rocks that become meteor when they enter in the Earth. When they enter in the Earth, they become we can say meteors. Okay, that is known as meteoroids. Okay, when they reach to the Earth's surface. Clear? This much is clear about solar system. So let's start with some question and answers to see how much you can able to recall and able to collect the informations. Okay. So one by one we will discuss. So first one is you have to tell me the answer also. Okay. Because we will study about asteroid, comets, dwarf planets. I'm hoping that thing is clear. So now we will move on some question answer. First question is, where do comets originated? Where do they originated? Of course, we will write the answer here. Here the above we can also see. It's originated from which belt? Tell me. From the Kuiper Belt. And Oort clouds. What happened when meteoroid enter in Earth atmosphere? What will happen? Burns. Okay. So small space rocks that become, we can say, meteor. When they enter in the Earth atmosphere, it become meteor. Okay. It's become meteors. Okay. Next. What is Kuiper Belt? It is the belt start after Neptune. Okay. So a region beyond Neptune. So a region beyond Neptune. Where do asteroid primary orbits? Between We know between Mars and Jupiter. What is dwarf planets that does not have any orbit? That is, we discussed already. So here comes the answer. Planet like bodies that don't have their orbit. That is known as this. What is Oort clouds thought to be a source of? It is a source of a distance. Okay, what is the Oort planet thought to be a source of a distance? Icy region. From the distance we can see it's looking like an icy region. Yes, so that's all about this chapter, the solar system, hidden frontiers or hidden wonders beyond the planets. So solar system is not about planets, meteoroid, asteroid, comets, icy space. Yes, so all these are all about this chapter. It is clear? So that's all, my dear learners, for this class. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.